Listen to this now. I don't want to know this. There's a bad bench right there. They know music, they know presentation, they know everything. And they want
No, not do that, my youth.
Alright. So it's 2-1. Check the tune.
Say this, it's time to pull out, bro. Oh. Everybody getting their guns out now.
One man gonna knock you.
He done left his laptop out and everything, man. He should at least put his shit up before he went to get busy.
What the fuck? No, I seen him, but that's why, man. That's why.
Quit being scared, Junior.
No, ain't no scared, man. No, ain't nobody scared. Okay, I'm gonna show you out.
Hey, you know you ain't gotta show me shit. You know pint size be on that shit too.
Alright, we are back to that was just a little break. Yeah,